Hey guys, Derek here with the Closet Doctor, and just wanted to share with you some of the great installations that we did in 2023. This beautiful master closet, we loved it for the contrast in the colors, the high gloss gray with the dark matte gray, the gold hardware, and then as you can see, we put lights everywhere. LED lights in the cabinetry and the hanging sections, down from the top shelf and the toe kick. Customers loved it. This next one is a wall bed that we did, 5-piece shaker doors, celadon color, floor to ceiling, wall to wall, spectacular, came out just amazing. This next red and black garage came out beautiful. The interesting thing with this, at the beginning, the customer just wanted to do white with black, but his wife talked him into going with what he really liked, was this high gloss red and black cabinetry. The interesting thing we didn't know at the design was that the customer has a beautiful red 68 Camaro convertible and 1970 black big block Nova that just sets this whole garage off. This simple basic wall bed was fun because the customer said, hey, I want substantial handles on my bed. And finally, this home office, we really love the contrast of the bluish walls with the white cabinetry. And then another honorable mention is this wall bed we did with the 5-piece wood grain doors. Came out great.